सिस्को से एक मैसेज आया था सर.
Have you got Cisco message? Okay, fine.
मेल मैसेज सर.
Acha, you have got a mail.
Yes sir. सिस्को नेटवर्किंग एकेडमी.
Yes.
जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए आया था सर. गेट मैच टू जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी.
Actually,
क्या होता है?
look, if you are downloading Cisco packet tracer, fine.
Yes.
And with that Cisco packet tracer, you can do different practicals. Cisco thinks that somebody is trying to learn Cisco devices, or somebody is learning CCNA or CCNP or any other course. That's why Cisco requires your mail ID for registration. With that mail ID, by using that mail ID, Cisco gives time to time a message to you. If you will join Cisco Academy, Cisco Academy is actually Cisco's own academy. If you will register for that academy, there is a time duration of approx 40 to 45 days. After completion of the 40 to 45 days, Cisco will force you for global certification. After that global certification, Cisco can offer you some job.
Okay.
The actual process is this.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
right?
sir.
And okay. Now, I would like to request all of you, please switch on your camera. If somebody is not in that condition, it's okay, but switch on your camera. Okay. Now, we have to discuss about the application layer. Now, I'm going to share my screen. Just wait. Good. Fine. Listen. Not application layer. First of all, we should finish presentation layer. Something left. Compression is also done at the presentation layer.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by compression term? Compression से क्या समझते हैं?
सर जो एक्चुअल साइज है ना उसको रिड्यूस करके छोटा कर देता है.
Try to speak in English also.
Yes, sir.
It will be better for me and you too.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It will reduce the size of something like PDF image.
Right. Means the compression is, as per you, compression is used to reduce the size of data.
Yes.
Fine. फाइल के साइज को रिड्यूस करने के लिए हम compression term यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. In compression term, what actually happens? क्या होता है?
Compression means to say convert one file form to another form.
Okay. In compression, it converts one file into another file. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anything else?
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर कंप्रेशन का सर बताए ना अभी मीनिंग आप कि डेटा के साइज को रिड्यूस कर देता है, तो डीकम्प्रेशन का मतलब होता है उसको एक्चुअल साइज में ले आना. कोई भी डेटा जैसे रहता है ना सर, जैसे इमेज.
Listen. I am asking about only compression. we have not discussed about decompression. My question is, what actually happens during the compression? Compression में क्या होता है ना? हम, you all are right कि sir, okay, it reduces the size of the file का file size reduce कर देता है, ठीक है, लेकिन कैसे reduce करता है? How?
Bit shifting करता होगा.
No, by
Just
the pixel.
By the
Pixel,
pixel?
sir. Yes, sir.
सर पिक्सल तो फोटो के केस में होता है ना, यहाँ तो कंप्रेशन फाइल के लिए, और फाइल बाइट में या बिट में होता है, यहाँ बाइट शिफ्टिंग होगी ना.
सर उसमें जो यूजेबल नहीं ना, उसको वहां से रिमूव कर दिया जाता है, जो हमारा यूजफुल है वो उसमें रहे.
Okay, जो यूजफुल रहे उसमें रहे. Look, if we create any file, we compress it, we reduces the size of the file, हम size reduce कर देते हैं, and when we would like to recover it from compression to normal size, then in that case we get all kinds of data, usable
Yes, sir.
or not usable.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then Tanupriya, if we will remove unusable data from the file, in that case it is not possible to recover all those data at the time of decompression.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Then don't say sorry. You are answering, it is very good thing. I always appreciate all those students who are participating in discussion.
Yes, sir.
हमेशा अप्रिशिएट करता हूं मैं जो डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट करता है. ये माइंड से ही निकाल दीजिए कि what will be wrong and what will be right. Your way of answering should be good, in nice or in decent manner. Then all answers are good for me. You can say also, sir, compression means just barking of dog, कुत्ते का भौंकना. मैं इसको भी कभी मना नहीं करूंगा, ठीक है?
Yes.
So don't say sorry.
Participation is must.
Participation. Session should be interactive, my dear. आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, कुछ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, means you are participating. It is good. Fine. Okay. Now, as per my opinion, compression means, okay, fine. Just have you heard about the shorthand practice करते हैं लोग, all those people who are preparing for the some government job or government offices, they practice for
Yes, sir.
shorthand.
Yes,
Shorthand.
sir.
Yes, sir.
अब suppose in shorthand, yes, in shorthand, a prime minister is just giving some speech. Prime minister speech दे रहे. अब in that speech, he is also most of the time using parliament, and now parliament is a big word. Constitution, okay, and भाइयों and बहनों. Okay, so these terms are used mostly during the speech of our prime minister. In that case, can we use a single letter or some mark for those words? Whenever we will go to just elaborate that speech on a paper or newspaper, then we can use that word again and again. But during the writing period, which we are just noting down the speech of the prime minister, जो prime minister की speech हम note कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें क्या हो रहा है, हम एक शॉर्ट्स यूज कर रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
फाइन. अब क्या है कि ठीक इसी तरीके से जब आप whenever you create a data, so suppose that you are writing few lines again and again during your whole notes or paragraph or anything. So during the compression term, just like shorthand, some terms are used to reduce the size of your data. But in this data, we will not talk about the pictures, videos. we will talk about the character data, alphabet, numeric, or anything. That's why those tools which we use for the compression can only be used for decompression. Because suppose we have used WinRAR for the compression of our file. Again, WinRAR is required for the decompression. We can't use another tool because another tool does not have that kind of code. Getting?
Yes.
During the compression term, it is done. But in case of pictures or yeah, photograph, you are right. Pixel is reduced. But if we reduce the pixel, in that case, what happens? Quality of picture or video becomes down. कम हो जाता है. होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
कम
Yes,
करके
sir,
छोटा होता
decrease.
तो हम लोग कर लेते. Fine. So now it's okay. This is the simple concept. Compression means reducing the size of
Reducing the actual size of data.
data. And decompression,
Change
just
from
opposite.
normal, changing from normal form.
Compressed data comes into
Normal form.
normal form. Okay. Fine. Means encryption, decryption, compression, and decompression. All these things are done at the presentation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, 7th, application layer. Now you all have idea about the application layer.
Yes, sir.
Application layer. So give me a few points.
So the application layer close to the end user. Sir, ये end user क्या है ना closest होता है.
Sorry, repeat your answer, please, Akash.
The application layer close to end user. मतलब कि ये end user.
It
End
is
user.
close to end user.
So creating data on application layer, sir.
Data creation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
सर ये एक ओपन सर्विस इंटरकनेक्शन है यानी OSI TCP/IP.
No, fine. It is a layer of OSI reference model.
सर इसमें यूजर को इंटरफेस देता है जिसमें यूजर वर्क करता है.
Provides user interface. Fine.
सर ये बहुत सारा फंक्शनलिटी इंक्लूड करता है just like email, web surfing, file transfer.
Okay. Services like email.
Yes, sir. Remote login, file transfer.
Remote logging.
So remote.
File transfer.
Web surfing.
Web surfing.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Overall, you all would like to say, sir, at application layer, any user normally performs all kinds of tasks. For example, a user can create a data, delete a data, edit a data. User can send and receive mails. Fine. User
Yes,
can use internet services through any web browser. User can remotely access some machines or services. User can transfer files from one system to another system, or from server to client or client to server. Right?
Yes, sir.
That's
sir.
why at this layer, different protocols are used.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
Sir,
FTP हो गया.
HTTP, SHTP, FTP.
Yes, 11. Fine. HTTP, okay.
TCP sir.
FTP, sir.
सर
NFS.
DHCP भी होता है सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol.
one by one. Yes, 11, serial number 11. 44411. Are you getting my voice? Are you
Yes,
all
sir.
getting? Yes. Yes, next protocol.
सर FTP बोले थे और DHCP.
DHCP, okay. DHCP. Fine. Yes, Nitish.
सर उसके बाद सर टेलनेट.
Telnet, sir.
Nitish.
Telnet, sir. Telnet.
Serial number
Devashi.
11. Your name is Nitish.
नो सर.
No, sir.
Okay. Telnet. Tanupriya. Tanupriya.
Sir, no idea, sir.
No idea. Okay, fine. And Poonam. Except Akash, serial number 11. Devendra, Devesh,
Top 3, sir.
देवाशीष.
Devashish, and Nitish. Anybody else?
सर टॉप 3.
Shit.
Sir, you
My dear friend, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Except यानी छोड़कर, हैं? आकाश को आउट कर दिया मैंने. तुमको देवाशीष
Sir,
को आउट कर
NFS,
दिया, Nitish को आउट कर दिया. उसके बाद पूछ रहा हूँ, समझते ही नहीं हो?
Sir, SMTP?
Yes.
SMTP, NFS है, sir, top 3 है, SNMP है.
Listen.
sir TC
If you are answering, your answer should be in good manner or in a smooth way by which a person can understand you. Your trainer can understand you. What would you like to say? Okay. Now SMTP, then
NFS.
NFS, right?
UDP, sir.
UDP.
Yes, sir.
UDP is a protocol of transport layer. Okay, fine.
Top
NFS.
3.
POP 3. POP 3, okay.
SNMP.
SNMP. And so on, like NTP. Fine. And POP, SNMP, IMAP, WWW, etc. As we can see these names of protocols, all these protocols are used for like HTTP, web browsing, FTP, file transfer, DHCP to provide IP, Telnet for remote accessing, SMTP for mail, NFS file transfer, POP again for mail, SNMP for network monitoring, NTP for time management, IMAP again mail, WWW again web browsing. Means what we have written at above points all these things can be done with the help of these protocols. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ओवरऑल क्या आया कि इन प्रोटोकॉल्स के हेल्प से हम ये सारे टास्क कर सकते हैं.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी, yes please.
Sir, HTTP और HTTPS दोनों सेम होता है, both are same ना?
Not both are same. HTTP and HTTPS. S, like this. These are two different protocols. Actually, there is one difference. Like HTTPS is secure because it uses certificate service, encryption, data encryption. But HTTP is insecure. That's why mostly we serve all those sites which name starts with HTTPS. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol and HTTPS means hypertext transfer protocol plus SSL.
Secure.
Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in this way, we have studied about the OSI reference model. We have not just discussed OSI reference model. Now, with the help of these models, TCP/IP model or OSI reference model, we can understand that if we have to just establish a network, which type of services can be used, which type of service should we use, what is the use of IP address, MAC address, what is the meaning of frame, data, segments, ports. Fine. What are the use of different protocols? Just use, introduction. But during the practical session, when we will see these things, that will be not very much unknown for us. वो हमारे लिए practical की duration में unknown नहीं होगा. At least वो term hit करेंगे आपके mind. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now you can relate different devices कि ये device जो है वो किस layer पे काम करेगी. Getting? इस OSI reference model को और TCP/IP model को जितना आप elaborate करें, बहुत elaborate किया जा सकता है. I can say that if you will learn each and everything about OSI reference model, you will do your BCA, MCA, BTech, MTech, everything. Fine. But it is not done at a time. It is done gradually. As your study is going on, or gradually you will get higher paper knowledge or higher studies, you will see different things. Till now, we have got information that what is network, what is networking, what is internetworking, what is internet, and knowledge about different devices, knowledge about media, knowledge about two models, TCP/IP and OSI reference model. And during these things, one more thing that is too much confusing for all of us is addressing part. Addressing part means MAC address and IP address. So, because as we have designed a network like a star topology, we have designed with the help of packet tracer.
Yes, sir.
During that time, we have used different IP addresses for different machines. हमने use किया different machine के लिए different IP address.
Yes.
And तो फिर question rise होता है mind में, what is IP address? What is its logic? we have already studied about IP address in Linux paper.
Yes, sir.
So again, I will start IP address, but in a fast way. क्योंकि आपका पढ़ा हुआ है, तो ये चीज हो इसके लिए क्या करना होगा? First of all, you have to go through my notes, which I have given in your last paper. At least you should go through that notes at one time. Then we will see again these things in a very short way. And then after we will study some advanced things about IP address. If you have remembered that Akash has asked a question, so what is subnetting? At that time, मैंने क्या आंसर किया था? Just wait. कहा था आकाश को? आकाश?
सर अब टाइम आ गया ना सर?
अब टाइम आ गया है, तुम्हारा टाइम आ गया
अब आकाश बोलेगा अपना टाइम आएगा, आ गया।
अच्छा, फाइन. नाउ addressing part. Addressing part addressing. Fine. Just we will discuss these things for 5 minutes more. Addressing is required for the identity of any node.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So it is used for nodes के लिए यूज करते हैं.
Identification.
हाँ, identification. And now types of address. First, physical address
And logical address.
and then second, logical address.
Logical address, that is IP.
Fine. If you have few points about physical address, just say.
So physical address is a MAC address.
Physical. MAC address?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Available at NIC? Represented into which number system?
Hexagonal, sir. Hexagonal, sir.
Hexadecimal.
Sorry, hexadecimal, sir. Hexagonal. Hexadecimal, sir.
Yes, hexadecimal.
0 to 9.
Yes. 0 to 9 and A to F.
A to F.
How many hexadecimal characters?
16, sir.
No, hexadecimal characters in MAC
6,
address.
sir. 6.
Akash, what happened? You are not answering anything.
मेरे को देख रहे हैं, लोग बोल रहा है तो हम चुप है.
Okay. Now I am giving you turn.
Sorry.
How many hexadecimal characters?
6, sir. 6.
12. And 12 hexadecimal character means how many bits? कितने बिट होंगे इसमें?
Sir, I forgot. Sir.
One hexadecimal character is equal to 4 bits.
Is equal to
12
48 bits.
48
48
bits.
bits, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because with the help of 4-bit, we can generate 16 values, and total characters in hexadecimal is 16. 0 to 9 and
Yes,
A
sir.
to F.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why one
Yes,
character
sir.
is equal to 4-bit. 12 character is equal to 48-bit.
Yes, sir.
Now, at which layer it works?
DLL.
Layer 2, sir.
Layer 2? Layer 2, or you can say DLL,
Data link layer.
data link layer. Fine. And first 6 characters of MAC address represents, क्या represent करता है?
किस कंपनी ने उसे बनाया है?
Okay, good. And last 6 characters?
Serial number.
Serial number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And with the combination of company and serial number, MAC address is globally
Utilized.
globally unique. Fine. Listen, my dear friend. Actually, I think the whole batch forgot the concept of MAC address and IP address, which we have studied or discussed in Linux paper. So in next class, you all have to present after revision. Just go for a revision. It will take hardly 30 minutes. Then we will discuss this fastly. Look,
Yes,
if we
sir.
will forget the basic concept of IP address or MAC address, so how we can discuss the higher topics of these things like subnetting, supernetting. Okay. Now.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just at this point, I'm going to stop my class. Any doubt? Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, hexadecimal character 12 80 bits कैसे आया सर? 80 bits हमको समझ में नहीं आया सर.
It not 80 bits, 48 bits.
48 sir.
One character is equal to 4 bit.
Yes sir.
So 12 character is equal to 12 into 4, 12 गुने 4.
48 bits.
Okay sir. Yes.
Okay, fine. Just give me 1 minute. मैं थोड़ा सा
हेलो सर. सर आपने कुछ रिवीजन के लिए कुछ बोला था उसमें नहीं सुन पाया था. फिर से एक बार बोल दीजिए.
Actually, just go for the just revise the IP address, which you have studied in Linux paper.
Linux paper.
Okay.